Alright guys, in our last video we saw Rapid Workers, a website where you can actually make money online. And Rapid Workers, as the name suggests, it's pretty easy and you could make money fast by doing small tasks, like which is around $1.50 and $2 and so on. Now, moving away from Rapid Workers, there is an application, an Android and iOS application, which is called Current. Right now, Current is something new, and it's an easy way to make money online. Now, Current rewards app. Now, this claims to earn money by listening to music. So this is a legitimate app, and it's pretty clear. And there have also been payouts for this application, right? And how does this particular app work? We're going to look at that. Now, Currents can be used anywhere, and it's in most of the countries across the world, right? If you are in Japan, if you are in Nigeria, New Zealand, India, Philippines, anywhere, it doesn't matter. This app is really good, right? And you need to log into the app and click on the $sign, and that's how you get to view your money and withdraw, right? So what does Current actually do? How could they actually pay you for listening to music? Now that's left up to you to do. You got to go and click. There's no particular process to it, and I'm not giving you any sort of special link or anything where you could go through it, but all I know is that it's free, and if someone's going to pay you to listen to music, that's a good thing, right? So you go straight to current.us, and this is what it is. So you play music to earn up to $600 a year. Now that is really good, and all you need to do is just download it on, if you're using an iPhone, go to the Apple Store, or get it on the Play Store if you're using an Android device. Now this is an application where you could listen to music and at the same time you get paid. Right now you come down and it's so clear that this is what they say, you earn more points. Now you get points, right? And these points are usually used to cash out in something very different, like like some sort of gift cards or some sort of gadgets. But there's also a way that you could get that to earn money, right? So $600 a year as an extra income is something great. Now you could see that there's a lot of testimonials that keeps coming up here down, but let's not buy that. We're not really into that stuff, and we need to see this for sure. So you search and play from so many radio stations, right? So these are not songs, these are radio stations, and the more you play, the more points you get, right? So you earn points by playing your favorite music. It's as simple as that, right? And you spend your points on your favorite brands. Now, if you want to purchase something online through Amazon or anything, you could go ahead and do that. And the good thing is you could click here and select your country. There's almost every country is here, so you don't have to worry about that. And all you need to do is go ahead, and that's it. And how do you earn? It shows the more you play, the more you earn, right? So everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in Current and earn in-app points, which is actually called points, right? So during the media playback, you'll encounter several other opportunities. So I'm guessing they might ask you to click on some ads or watch some ads, and that's not what we want, right? So how do you get you to spend your points? You could spend them in gift cards in your favorite places, and physical production, electronics, and donations to select charities that, well, I don't think we are that good enough to donate to charities at present. Well, I hope we all come to that stage sometime soon. But right, so how do you earn more per play? So you go through all this stuff, and there's also a way where you could get music offline, and there's a lot of FAQs that is actually on the website, right? And you have PayPal, which the payouts are made through, and there's user manuals and gift card redemptions and all the other stuff that you could find there. So go ahead, it's current.us, it's current.us, and download the application and feel free to listen to music. Well, anyways, we are listening to music all the time. We do listen to music on Spotify or several other things. Why not try a radio station? And why not when you're going to listen to your favorite music? I hope this video was helpful. Try it out, guys, and let me know in the comments below if it's actually working. And all of you stay safe, and until then, I would see you all in the next video.